did not sleep well last night. Rascal was all over me.
Was she?
Yes?
How terrible for you that my puppy slept on your bed.
Everything car pie, Katie?
Oh yeah, everything couldn't be more car pie. My dog likes you better. Car pie.
Whoa.
I have a big test next week that I have to do in front of heaps of people. So, car pie. And did I mention that the test is in Te Reo Māori? So yeah, everything is super duper car pie.
Does someone need a family five? Come on, hit it. Up here. Right there. My arm's getting tired.
No, thank you.
That was your fault. I can't stay mad at you. Come here.
I'm not proud of feeling like this, Mum. I know I should be nice and grateful and patient, but I'm nervous and jealous and frustrated. I'm worried I'm not a good dog owner. Can't stay mad at you, Rascal. But I'm gonna try because you like Uncle Mark more than me.
Okay, listen up, whānau. Settle down. Jeff, we're waiting for you. Thank you.
Sorry.
Righto, here we go. As we all know, whānau, your big test is next week. Exciting times. This is what I live for, the test, the big test. Everything I teach, from tango to surf life-saving, there's always a test, and it's a really good way to see whether you've actually, retained the skills that I've taught you. Oh, actually, speaking of tests, if anyone needs a rat test, those are at the door. Jeff, you've been coughing a lot lately, actually. It's pretty gross.
Sorry.
Anyway, that big test, like I say, is next week, and you'll perform all the tono you and your Kurī have learned.
In front of heaps of people, we know.
Sorry, what was that, Katie? Anyone else want to roll their eyes at Whaea Kaz? Now's the time to do it. Okay. Obviously, you'll have to introduce yourself in Te Reo Māori too, which is a fantastic opportunity.
What? Great.
Oh, come on, Katie, it's easy as. Ka tae e koe. You can do it. Me pēnei, like this. Tēnā koutou, ko Katie tōku ingoa. That's all you have to do. Would you like to practice now?
No.
Okay. Hey, Katie. You're gonna need to meet me halfway, girl. Okay? I can't come 90 and you go 10. I can't even meet you 70 and you come 30. All right? 50-50, girlfriend. You're gonna have to meet me halfway on this. I can't do all the work, girl.
Sorry, Whaea Kaz.
It's okay. It's okay. You've got this. Now, kōrero mai anō, tēnā koutou, ko Katie tōku ingoa.
Tēnā koutou, ko Katie tōku ingoa.
See? See how easy that was? And beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, Katie. Okay, now back to being an upbeat teacher I go. Okay, so today's tono class is Takahuri. Roll over.
Takahuri.
Oh, kia ora. How'd we go, whānau?
Takahuri, go.
Okay, Zara.
Zara, Takahuri. Good girl.
Oh, ka pai. Good girl, Zara. Mr. Ratu.
Takahuri. Oh, che.
Oh, ka pai. Well done, Jeff.
Choice.
Katie. Katie?
So annoying. I said, Takahuri, Rascal.
Hey, Katie. Whoa. Okay. Kurī don't respond well to frustration, Eko. Do you want to tell me why you're so hoha today?
I'm not a good dog owner, Whaea Kaz. Sorry, Rascal.
Listen, girl, don't think of yourself as an owner. You're Rascal's guardian, her kaitiaki. It's your job to love her and encourage her, even if she is annoying sometimes. Like my ex-husband. Really annoying. Look, just like your kaitiaki matua Mark, ne? He encourages you and loves you, even if you're annoying sometimes.
I never thought about it that way.
Now, take a deep breath, smile, and say your commands with aroha, with love.
Takahuri. I guess halfway is better than nothing.
Actually, halfway's pretty good. When Kurī show their puku, it means they love you and trust you.
It does?
Yeah. Oh, go on, she wants you to rub her puku. Beautiful, Katie. Righto, ka nui tēnā. Let's wrap it up, eh? I'm teaching tango lessons at the surf club in half an hour.
Sorry isn't a bad mood this morning, Uncle Mark.
That's okay. You didn't completely crush my feelings or anything.
We could do a family 5 if you want.
Dude, yes! More than anything ever! Hit it!
Maybe we should do a countdown. You know, since we don't have a strong history of family 5 success.
Okay, a countdown. Yes, good call, good call.
Okay, ready, Uncle Mark?
I'm ready. Okay.
Toru
3, 2, 1.
Tahi.
Hit it. Ah, so good. Oh, hey, we should rename it Whānau Rima. That's family 5 in Reo, right?
You're asking the wrong girl, but let's go with it.
Heck yeah, let's go with it. Whānau Rima. Hit it.
Hey, Rascal, want to sleep on my bed tonight? That's okay. I can meet you halfway. Rascal, I'm really nervous about our big test. You're not alone, Katie. Your best friend Rascal will be with you the whole time. Thanks, Rascal. You always know the right thing to say.